Once in a while, I have to stand back in awe of what my students have made. They made 4 of these. 2 of them have already gone home. 1 a few minutes ago. Really wanted to show these off. So what my students did is they took scrap wood, sawed it up, glued it up, made panels, made drawered cabinets, like little machinist chests. What's awesome is they even made the handles. So if I open this drawer, you'll see that every edge has been completely sanded, stained, and polyurethaned. We cheated a little and did 2 coats on the front and only 1 coat on everything else. Because really, you see the front more than anything else. I am absolutely astonished at the work they did. They should look back on this time and be proud of the work they did. I'm so impressed. Absolutely well done. Absolutely well done. There's 2 out of the 4. Wow.